How to use Perplexity AI for academic research. Perplexity AI can seriously boost your academic research workflow. Let's dive into how to use it effectively. Start by entering your research question or topic in the search bar. Perplexity will generate a detailed answer along with cited sources from reliable academic sites like JSTOR and others. Click the citation numbers to view the exact source used. You can even ask follow-up questions to go deeper into the topic or clarify a specific point. What kind of academic projects are you working on right now? Let us know in the comments below. Bookmark useful answers or export them into your document editor to keep your notes organized. And that's how you can use Perplexity AI for academic research. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.